Hello KUNOMAILers and welcome to our email client. In our today's video, I want to give you a short overview about our new feature, the Spam Manager. Our Spam Manager you find here on the top. You can click on this icon and it opens. Or also you can add a trusted or blocked sender. If you click right on your email, then you have here in the context menu block sender spam, the spam manager. You can choose trusted, blocked, or you also can open the spam management here. For example, our email from contact@kunomail.de, I want to add to the trusted senders, and prototype@kunomail.de, I want to add to the blocked. Now I start the spam manager, and as you can see, on the left side, you have all the trusted addresses, and on the right side, you have the blocked addresses. You also can add a new email sender. For example, I just say that is no reply at mailings.gmx.net, and I say here it's a test mail. And now you can also add it to the trusted or to the blocked. For example, here now manually address is now added to the trusted addresses, and if I don't want it here, I can choose the X and then I delete it from the site. What can we do now with the blocked addresses? You have 3 actions. With all blocked addresses, you can say don't move it. All emails stay in the inbox. You can say move it to the spam folder or move it direct in the trash folder. You also have the possibility now that you can say with the blocked addresses, you can say, okay, I want to enable the hyperlinks. The hyperlinks will be shown then in the email address, or you want to display images or GIFs in the email, play sounds, etc., etc. If you enable this and you save it, then in the blocked email addresses, in the blocked senders, this will be shown here. Okay. In our example, I mark the color in red for the blocked addresses. I close it, and now you can see prototype is marked in red. The next thing is I can say blocked action. I move it to the spam folder here, then I can save it. And as you can see now, prototype is not in the inbox anymore here on my GMX account. And if I change it here to the spam folder from GMX, my email is now here in spam. If you want to move your email back in the inbox, you have to go to the spam manager, and if you say okay, prototype is fine, and it's trusted, you mark it, then with the arrow on the left you choose now it's a trusted email address. You can save it, and now you can drag it here in the inbox, and now prototype is in the inbox and it's not marked red. Yeah, that's all. Small little functions, the spam manager. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please contact us. contact@kunomail.com, and have a nice day. Your KUNOMAIL team. Bye.